Yo, what's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be reacting to Try Not to Laugh Again. And if I laugh, I make a funny noise. So let's just get right into it.
Can I take a picture? Yeah.
Damn. Wait, let me.
Can I take a picture? Yeah.
That was a good one, huh? Good shit. Wait, let me watch that shit. Okay. You trying to play it off cool. Hold on, let me rewatch that shit. Okay, it's just a guy walking. That dude is going to slip, bro. Fuck. Poor guy.
You're gonna fucking shut the fuck up.
Yo, what the fuck? Is that a fucking pig at 1 in the morning climbing in your window?
I'm telling you, first you got to unlock this thing. EJ, come. Water.
What the fuck? Ain't nothing wrong with it, bro.
You're going to put 10 and 9 together. You got it? D's net.
Hello guys, I recommend
What is this? A little cat? He's just laying there, bro. Let him be. Should call her.
My boyfriend
Wow.
tried to surprise me with breakfast in bed.
I've actually slid all of it on the side of all of it.
Fortnite.
Fucking Fortnite, bro.
Gotta say, got a new hat. I'm loving it because like I don't even have to look out anymore. I can just walk around normally and just not have like my.
Is it a vine?
Which one of these sounds better? The aluminum sheet or the metal sheet?
Oh my god,
Sir!
Grandpa.
Shut the fuck up!
What was a frog? Holy shit. Didn't even see it.
This is high fashion. People in Utah just don't understand.
This is high fashion.
What the fuck?
You wouldn't understand.
So do I have to do this
Double
essay?
mask.
Yes, you do. What would you do if I didn't
Oh, hell no.
Huh?
I'm gonna kick. I am gonna. One sec. I'm gonna kick your ass.
It's even fight now, huh?
That's it, good. That's it, good. Get out of here. Go, go, go!
That laugh.
am suspicious. Push it. Push it. Push the button.
Push the fucking button, bro. Y'all slit as fuck. Was that the queen? Oh, you got that fucking locked down.
ये देखिए ये जूता है अभी ये देखिए इसको आप ऐसे देख सकते हैं
Damn it.
What the fuck? Bro, close the window.
What was that?
Oh shit. What the hell's he doing? He gonna fucking fall, bro. Oh, that's cool as fuck.
Are you planning your escape? Huh? Because I made you cuddle?
What a nice kitty.
Guys, it's currently 9 in the morning. Yo, Logan, pass me the ore. I got you, bro.
Ooh. What the fuck? Ah.
Throwing cheese at my GF all day.
No way, babe, look at this.
Fucking pirate.
Babe.
Why do you keep doing this?
Poop with friends. Poop alone.
Yeah.
Of course.
Hey, scoot over.
And that fool fast as hell.
Tell me something that's an absolute flex to a niche group but means nothing to the majority.
Damn. That shit hella expensive. Wow.